What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at the news, so let's get right into it. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently, and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap that sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, there's a lot of fear and uncertainty and doubt in the market right now. There's a lot of FUD coming out. Obviously, this is just one that we wanted to reiterate from yesterday. Basically, Lloyd's TSB are set to ban crypto due to scam concerns. So this is obviously just some, basically some real FUD coming out in regards to banks. This is nothing new. This is something that we covered in yesterday's video. The second piece of news, Bitcoin and Ethereum tried to recover while Dogecoin dives. This was quite interesting. We thought basically a lot of people are getting out of Dogecoin right now. I think it's dropped to around 15 cents from around 70 or so cents a month ago. So obviously this is absolutely ridiculous. And we do think in the long term, we do believe that Dogecoin will probably do quite well. But obviously, as you can see, Dogecoin has been hit very hard recently. Next piece of news, crypto assets fear that investors are taking too many risks. So this is the BBC in the UK. Basically every single article they put out about cryptocurrency is just a complete FUD scam, FUD campaign against cryptocurrency in our opinion. As you can see, the FCA estimated that 2.3 million adults in the UK now hold crypto assets, the most common of which is Bitcoin. The eye-catching swings in the price of these products have drawn a scores of investors and led to a sway in marketing. The regulators also noted that whereas nearly half of investors last year considered their stake in crypto as a gamble, that proportion has now dropped. So basically they're just trying to, this is just complete FUD. There's not really any substance to this article whatsoever. They're just trying to put out more fear, uncertainty and doubt to try and suppress the price in our opinion. Because it's pretty obvious that the BBC is ran by big banks, and it's pretty obvious that the big banks don't like crypto. So next article, China crypto crackdown triggers big drop in Bitcoin value. This is obviously something that we've been seeing. Bitcoin is currently trading, I believe, at around 30.5k. It has broken down below that 31k resistance that we've mentioned today. So it does look as though we may be potentially looking at some kind of spring and basically a reversal to the upside. It definitely seems likely considering how oversold we are currently. But as we can see, Bitcoin tanked on Monday as basically China is cracking down on Bitcoin. This is something that we covered yesterday as well, but we just thought that we'd reiterate that this is very important. But it looks like central banks in China are basically looking at banning Bitcoin. From what we can tell, again, for some other reason, probably just to roll out the digital yuan. So obviously this is more FUD. Obviously in the long term, this isn't going to affect cryptocurrency too much, but in the short term, it has led to a drop in the price. Next article, Bitcoin rejected. The UK shouldn't accept crypto as currency, says poll, it crashes hard. So this is more FUD in our opinion. Basically, it's some really weird poll that it looks as though the Daily Express has done, and the Daily Express is categorically not a good source of information in our opinion for unbiased sources of information. But as you can see, it says after El Salvador became the first country in the world to approve the cryptocurrency as legal tender, the Express asks, should the UK accept cryptocurrency as an official currency? The poll, which ran from 12 p.m. yesterday to 7 a.m. today, a bit of a strange time frame, received 1,287 votes, and 72% of voters said Bitcoin should not be accepted. Obviously, you have to consider who's actually reading this. Pretty much every single person that's investing in crypto probably isn't reading the newspaper anymore. This is just complete clickbait, basically to try and get some clicks. Obviously, every single time that people go onto their pages, they get ad revenue. This is the main way that newspapers make money anymore, so they have to buy into the clickbait cryptocurrency culture in order to stay relevant. So they're basically just trying to get clicks on cryptocurrency content. I mean, 1,287 votes, probably from basically people that are, you know, not in touch with crypto or have any idea what it is. So quite clear that they've probably just bought it's built on a constant collapsing pyramid scheme model, and when it crashes hard. Nothing you want in traditional currency. Honestly, I just can't even with this article. Bybit becomes latest crypto platform to be targeted by Canadian securities regulator. So more FUD here, as we can see. Basically more cryptocurrency platforms basically being got after by basically regulators. This is something that we actually do want in the long term, because more regulation means less dubious coins on the market, shall we say, and also in the long term, more regulation means more institutional adoption, which means higher prices in the long term. So regulation on all kinds of platforms is obviously something that we want, but we want fair regulation. So the article states Bybit Fintech, the second largest futures trading platform by open interest, was accused of operating an unregistered cryptocurrency platform in Ontario. According to the statement of allegations, the regulator said Bybit is operating an unregistered crypto asset platform and encouraged Canadian customers to trade crypto asset projects that are securities and derivatives on the platform. So yeah, this is more difficulties with regulation. As we can see, regulation is a major issue right now surrounding cryptocurrency, and there's going to be a lot of fighting backwards and forwards, in our opinion, surrounding this in the years to come. But we do think that this is probably just more FUD, and in the long term, this isn't going to affect crypto too much, in our opinion. So 7th article here: banks chart cautious crypto plans with regulators taking aim. So this is just to do with more regulation here. Banks looking to expand into the wild world of crypto are getting pointed reminder from regulators of the risks involved. So basically, this is just more FUD, basically saying that cryptocurrency, you know, it's very volatile, it's very risky, it's a risky investment, it's most likely a scam in most instances, etc., etc., etc. As you can see, it's pretty important to remember what banks are actually doing. Like big institutions and big players in the market right now are actually accumulating at these prices, and it's most likely that banks are probably getting involved behind the scenes. So it's do as they say, not what they tell you, basically. The whole time, all these banks putting out FUD to do with the Bitcoin, whilst also starting to offer Bitcoin to their customers, etc. They're offering all kinds of services to do with crypto. So on the one hand, they're coming out and saying, yeah, you know, Bitcoin, terrible, don't like that, not good. And then on the other hand, they're actually coming out and going, yeah, but we'll offer it to our customers. So pretty obvious that there's a lot of FUD in the market right now. So stay safe and stay healthy and all that. Last article, we thought we'd end on a high. This is what we're talking about with institutions accumulating. MicroStrategy has actually bought another 13,000 BTC for around 500 million in cash. So they've actually got over 100,000 BTC now overall, which is an absolutely insane bag of cryptocurrencies. And in the long term, I mean, they could be one of the biggest companies in the world because of this, in our opinion. I mean, if Bitcoin goes to $1 million, I mean, what's the maths on what's a million times 100,000? Is that like 10? I can't even, honestly, my brain cannot even do the maths. It's a lot though. They're going to be doing very well if Bitcoin goes to $1 million. It's absolutely insane. So obviously, as we can see, big institutions are accumulating right now whilst all the retail investors are getting scared out of the market. I think this is something that is actually being coordinated quite clearly at this point. As you can see, MicroStrategy purchased an additional 13,000 BTC for around 500 million in cash at an average price of around 37,000 per BTC at the time of writing. So basically, yeah, things are looking, there's a lot of FUD in the market right now, but you have to look under the surface of all these news articles that are coming out that are super negative and realize that basically things are chugging along. The institutions are accumulating. We're still currently accumulating in between 30k and 42k. Nothing too out of the ordinary from what we can tell. So that's about it. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.